Hey guys, welcome back to another vlog. This is Rakshit here. Hello, hey Gidara, how are you all doing? As you already read the title, I've got this knee pads called from Rynox. It's a bionic knee pad, that's what they say. Costed me about 3,950, 3,800 was the Amazon price, and 150 for the delivery as well. So the box is right beside me, so I haven't seen how exactly it would look. I'm going to unbox this as well. So you might ask me, I have riding gears, why usually I want to buy this. So the intention of getting this is, of course, my Alpinestars riding pants has a good amount of protection, or the hip protection and also the knee protection. But there's that when I wear the other boots, right? When I was touring in my KTM Adventure 390, I did not wear my race boots. I was just wearing the normal Orazo boots as well. So for that, it did not give me a good amount of protection in my knees. I always had that insecurity while I was doing my entire Kanyakumari and also the Valpara ride as well. So that's one of the reasons I thought that it's important for me to get this. So I bought this Rynox knee pads. So I'm gonna share you how exactly it's gonna look like. So it's an unboxing video. This comes with a good packaging, and on the package it says 3,950. Not sure it's visible for you. So 3,950, and there's no single rupee discount as well. Let me check how exactly would the money suffice for 3,950. Let me go ahead and check. Honestly, this actually looks pretty premium in terms of the cushioning, and also this moves around as well. But I'm a little surprised because I ordered a neon one, they've sent me a red one. This doesn't suit my motorcycles either. And also if I put it in Adventure 390, it's alright. But when I'm wearing my jacket which has a neon line on it, this thing won't match. But yeah, however, I'm going to send it back. If I make up my mind, color doesn't matter. But yeah, I'll just give it a shot. So this is how the knee pads would look like, and it's going to cover the entire knee as well, so you can see. So it's equivalent to the best part about this is it's going to cover the entire knee part and also a bit of the tibia piece as well, or tibia bone, whatever you call, slightly below your knee. So that's going to get covered as well, and it's movable, and you can adjust. You can adjust here the moment. So you can lock this here in this pattern, and the moment it locks in between your knee, you can pull this as well to even stiffen it. So I think this can also work on the normal jeans as well. I think it's a pretty good investment. 4,000 worth. Not sure. Let me give it some time. Spending some time with when I start riding motorcycle. Of course, it's a lockdown, so doing some stupid videos again. So when I start riding, I'll get some context about whether I'll be able to get this confirmation as well. So will I? So once I start riding, so let me check where, and I'll check this as well, so that I'll get some idea about how exactly this would age, and would it suffice the worth of 3,950 as well. So stay tuned for the next videos coming up very shortly, and I'm also going to check in my phone whether what color did I order. I did not order from Rynox. I was seeing at the reseller, it was someone called as Moto something. Let me double check that one for you folks. Going to my orders, I'm going to see delivered today. So if you see here, I have ordered the neon one, and they've delivered me this one, the red one. So I think of replacing it because this doesn't suit my motorcycle. But yeah, let's give it some time. Alright, I hope you enjoyed the unboxing of Rynox knee pads, and we'll catch you on another vlog, guys. Stay very safe. All videos I'm doing, like I said, I'm doing only at home, not even stepping out of home. So hopefully, fingers crossed, happy to get ride very soon as well. I've been never so desperate in my entire life to ride, because a lot of things are pressuring me mentally as well. So ride is my go-to way option. Let's see, hope to ride very soon. Thank you so much for taking your time seeing my vlog, and if you're not subscribed to the channel, like I said, we're just very close to 1K. Please do subscribe and share this content, and stay safe. Bye.